Fiverr. Are you trying to promote your business, product, or your brand? Then the video campaign is a good idea. Video allows you to increase the time spent by the visitors. 2D explainer video animation is the best way to attract tons of sales and customers into your business. It increases your sales by 730%, and these explainer videos are the secret weapon of many successful brands. But most businessmen do not take advantage of this brilliant strategy because it is a hard, expensive, and time-consuming process. But don't worry, we're here to help you. Welcome to my service. In with our video service, you would get highly engaging and energetic 2D animation explainer videos. I produce custom-made videos to help your business stand out above the rest. Buyer satisfaction is my highest priority, and I never fail to exceed the customer's expectations. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this order now and celebrate your success today. If you want, you can also create a custom offer with a lot of discounts. I look forward to working with you exclusively on Fiverr.com/videosexperts.